just wanted to come on here real quick and just say thank you so much for 400 subscribers. I honestly, when I started my YouTube channel, I didn't even think I'd be at 100. And the fact that this morning I woke up to 405, I cried. Like, it is honestly so amazing, the fact that, you know, I made it that far and so quick. It's only been 2 months since I started my YouTube channel. So yes, again, thank you so much. Everyone who watches my videos, anyone who likes it, who comments, anyone who just messages me and tells me how, you know, how much they like my channel and to keep going. Like, I appreciate every single one of you guys. You guys are amazing. And again, 400 means so much to me because I didn't even think I would be at 100. And like I said, 400 in 2 months is just such a big goal for me, and I am so proud of myself, and I'm so thankful. So thank you again so much. And yeah. Okay guys, so in this short little clip, I show you guys how I use my FitnessPal app. It is an app that you can download onto your phone. It is super easy to use and I love it. So I like to total up my calories sometimes. So I go to add and then I do what meal it is, whether it's breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And then I will type in what I ate. So for example, I ate a banana for breakfast. Sorry, it's blurry, by the way. It wouldn't focus to my phone. So again, I add the banana for breakfast. It shows me how many calories, what is the fat percentage. And yeah, so I add that to my breakfast. And I do the same thing with the rice cake. So I type in rice cake. And as you can see, once you type that in, it pulls up like 100 or more options as to what kind of rice cake it is. So it is just hard to choose. So what I would do is I will go to the little barcode that's on the right corner and I will actually scan the item. So what is really cool is that you can scan the item and it'll pop up exactly what the nutritional facts are. So the amount of calories, the amount of fat that is in each. So as you can see, it does it automatically and I just add it on there. So I love that about this app. Again, I will do the same with the peanut butter. I will scan the peanut butter. And as you can see, it does it, like I said, super fast and easy. So yeah, so then I just added on to my breakfast. And I also added my coffee with creamer, just to be fair. And you will then see the list of my breakfast. It says 430 calories. It was actually 380. I accidentally added an additional rice cake. So yeah, I do this. You can also add your water intake and your weight and your exercise, and it would define your amount of calories throughout the day, which is really cool. I love this app, and I definitely recommend.
Close your eyes, Martha.
Why?
Close your eyes.
Oh my god. Okay.
But not peek.
I'm not peeking. Can I look?
Not yet.
Oh my god.
Don't look.
Okay, I'm not looking.
That's for. Don't even look at that take. That's for our anniversary. Get you a little something.
What? Can I look?
Yeah.
Oh my god, babe. Babe, are you serious?
What?
Oh my god, babe, what?
What you say?
Oh my god, come here.
What? Oh, what's up?
Thank you, baby. Oh my god, babe.
What?
So this is what you're doing? What the heck?
I want to get into.
My husband got me a Roomba. I've been asking him for one for so long. Oh my god, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, babe. I love it. I could cry. I'm gonna cry.
Oh my god.
Well, oh my god, I'm so excited, y'all. Yay. Thank you, babe. I love you, babe. It's our 3-year anniversary, y'all. I'm so excited. I thought it was gonna be like flowers or something. I did not expect this. This is crazy. I'm gonna open it right now. But anyways, I'm gonna cook lunch for my husband and for myself.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes down. City dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds. And as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes down. I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I look a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without running fast, never look back. Now we're over, that's a fact. Phasing light, see it all right. You were never right. Back to life, apologize. Too soon to say I'm fine. Too soon to say I'm fine. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't put the blame on me. Because you're acting like a volcano, tending to be my savior. Nothing you do can save us, save us. Because you're acting like a volcano and make me feel outrageous. You keep teasing me, but you're nothing without I hear you breathe, but I can't see if you're right here next to me. Something's wrong, wasn't it fun? Is it now we're done? You get dressed, I'm like a mess, and you tell me to confess, and you tell me to confess. Oh, I don't know what to say, what to do, how to make you see. This is nothing in real life, it might just have been a bad dream. You can run, you can hide, but you can't.
That's how I need you to be cooking rice all the time. Alright.
Excuse me?
You heard what I said. I said what I said.
Sing to a part, meaning now